What's up, YouTube? What's up? What's up? What's up? This is Investment back with another video. As promised, this channel is basically conducting my journey to $1 million. So I started the series yesterday, April 21st of 2024, and you can go back and watch that video. That initial inaugural video was basically covering my M1 finance stocks and ETF portfolio. That portfolio currently is at a little bit over $10,000, $10,600, I believe. Last time I checked, the market has been red all week or all month, really this month, due to high inflation and everything else that's going on in the market and around the world with all the different wars and conflicts going on in the Middle East. However, so go ahead and check that video out, and please like and subscribe. This video today is my second video in the first series of me updating you all on my real estate syndication investment journey. So a little bit about me. I've been in the military for 21 years, traveled all over the world. I'm currently stationed in Korea, and it's kind of difficult to really do hands-on investment in the U.S. Because you're not there to vet deals and so on and so forth. So what I do is I invest in real estate via real estate syndications. And before I go any further, I would like to say this is not investment advice. This is not me telling you recommending anything to you. This is just documenting my journey and showing you all what I'm invested in and how the investments that I've invested in are going. So not financial advice, just documenting my journey. So please follow along. So today I want to talk to you about two of my real estate syndication investments that I'm in. This one is with this company called Sim Capital. Sim Capital is owned by Matt Simmons. Really good company from what I've experienced so far. Very quick with answering emails or whatever questions I have to ask at any given time. And I've been with them since October of 2022. And I've invested in several deals with them. I have a total of $100,000 invested with this company, and I'm going to go do a breakdown and show you all exactly what I'm invested in. So they have so I'm invested in three different funds. So as you can see here, the fund breakdown: one is affordable housing, one is Lavender Apartments on the East Coast. You can do a quick Google search and look up Lavender Apartments and take a look at what that is. And the other investment, I have about $25,000 invested in their General Sim Capital Fund. Here's the contributions that you see. So initial, and then here are it's pretty much the same. Preferred return over the past year. This is what each fund has paid me so far, right? And here's the distributions that I've received from those funds. So what I've basically been doing is every month that I receive my distribution, I go ahead and take that money and transfer it over to M1 Finance and put it into the stock market. So that's how I'm building and funding the M1 Finance journey. This deal is a 5-year deal. So I'm invested with them for a minimum of 5 years. So this is not something that's very liquid when it comes to pulling your money out when you need it. This is a long-term investment and should be treated as such, just like the stock market. So this is a long journey for me. So here's what I'm currently invested in. Preferred returns so far and distributions. Here, I'm going to show you all some of the offerings that they currently have on their page. Once again, I'm not advertising. I'm just showing you how my account looks from my vantage point. So currently, they have three funds or deals, offerings on their site. One is the Crosby Park Apartments. That carries a minimum of $100,000. You can do your own due diligence, on research about that one. Next is Village South, located in Georgia. This is a basic value add Class B type investment, and then you have the general distressed debt fund. So basically, there's no equity in this one, I don't believe. I think this one is pretty much pure debt. Let's take a look and see. Yep, this one is pretty much pure debt. So basically, their focus is on distressed property and underperforming and distressed multifamily assets, with a preferred share of 8%. So there's no capital split on this one. Normally, you see like a 60-40 capital split, or a 70-30 or so on, or 80-20. This one is only debt, so you only get the 8% return on your investment annually. And here's the term. The term is basically 20 to 36 months before your initial investment can be returned to you. And like I said, if you need more information, you can go in and take a look at what they have to offer. I can go over the stack deck, but I'm not going to. It will take a long time. I'll probably do a deep dive later on. If I do decide to invest in this fund, which I'm currently doing my due diligence, if I decide to invest, then I'll go ahead and run through the deck and what the offering is. Affordable housing. I am currently investing in this fund. Basically, this fund targets opportunities where there is a high demand but low inventory for affordable housing. This really enjoying the distributions that I've been receiving from this investment, and I have high hopes for the future. Even with the high interest rates, we haven't had any capital calls or anything like that. This Sim Capital Companies is doing the best they can to manage these portfolios to the best for everyone's own interest. And then finally, their general Sim Capital Wealth Fund, which seeks to invest in mostly multifamily units. So moving on from there, I'm going to go over to a company called Good Egg Investment. I just recently came across this company, like what I've seen. Really enjoyed what they had to offer, so I went ahead and invest in their non-accredited investor fund just to test it out. I threw $12,000 in there into one of their many funds. These are the funds that they have open currently. Opportunities. They have Wealth Fund 2, Growth Fund 2, Good Egg Fund 1, Fund and then Fund 1, which primarily focuses on hotels. The Growth Fund 3 is a regulation crowdfunding type deal, which means it's open to unaccredited investors. I'm sure if you're watching this video, everyone knows what accredited investor is compared to unaccredited. If not, then please comment below and I'll do another video breaking that down. As far as the investment, what I'm invested in, take a look here. As you can see, there are two properties currently in this fund that they've purchased so far, and that is the Candlewood Suites in Radcliffe, Kentucky, and then the Holiday Inn Express, also in Radcliffe, Kentucky. Once again, do your research. Take a look at it. I'll click on this, and here are the numbers, the breakdowns. What I like about these companies is that they give you all the numbers, so you can go ahead and, if you're a numbers person, go ahead and crunch the numbers and see how they're doing as far as debt to income and other operating expenses and so on and so forth. So far, I've earned, I've accrued $299 in preferred return. Obviously, that hasn't been paid out as of yet, but that's what I'm on track to getting paid out. As time goes on, I might there's a few other funds I want to invest in. I know I really want to jump into the wealth fund here on top, wealth fund too. So I'm currently doing my due diligence, and I think I'm going to move forward probably next month, and probably jumping in with about 100 grand in that portfolio. But to me, I like these companies because they communicate well. Any questions I've had they've answered, and they even do monthly webinars or monthly Zoom calls where they update all the investors on everything that is going on with all the investments within the portfolios. You get your chance to ask and answer questions that you might have, and get your concerns addressed there live on a Zoom call. Totally transparent from what I've experienced so far, and I'm very confident in these investments. So as time goes on, I'm going to just be updating you all on the progress of each. I might not have something every week. However, as we gain traction and have actions occur, I'll go ahead and update you all on this channel on what's going on. As far as the Sim Capital company investments, one thing you got to understand is every month. So every month I'm getting a distribution, and I think right now it's around $800 is what I'm getting on a 100K investment. Really good for me. Passive income for basically not doing anything, and they're handling everything. I will go later on. I don't want to make this video too long. So what I'm going to do probably later on this week is make another video breaking down exactly how we're getting paid out, what each fund that I'm invested in, how the pay breakdown, and what it looks like as far as capital split, and show you all some of the investment decks and what the waterfall looks like as far as like what it looks like year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5 projected, and also what the payment split is. Because remember, every time a unit gets sold within these funds, we get a percentage of the equity that has incurred during the holding period. So some are 80-20, some are 70-30. When I say 80-20, I mean the general partners get a share, and the limited partners get a share as well. So if I say 80-20, basically 80% of the sale of the property goes to investors like myself, and then 20% goes to the folks who are running the fund at Sync Capital. But we'll break all that down in the next video. I just wanted to come in and do the initial video and stop procrastinating, and hopefully you all will tune in and join me on this journey to $1 million. I'm trying to hit $1 million in investment in real estate investments, and then $1 million also in the stock and ETF world as well, in the financial markets as well. So look, we're on our way to it. I'm excited to do this journey. I'm excited to share it with you all, and I hope you all will tune in and take this journey along with me. And please like, comment, subscribe, dislike. It doesn't matter. Let's interact and discuss what I can do better, what you all want to see as far as the journey is concerned. I also have some other rental properties and real estate investments, some in Thailand, and some what I'm looking at right now in Jamaica with this new complex called the Pinnacle that's being developed down there. Looking into that as well. Look, tons of things coming your way, so I'm excited to get get this thing rolling and become better at doing these videos and giving you guys quality information on how to actually invest in the world that we're living in currently. So thank you for tuning in, and goodbye.